Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. Request you please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet to get some amazing tips and tricks and innovation updates. How to use SelectorsHub Pro in dark theme? Yes, this is really amazing and one of my favorite theme. This looks really cool in dark theme and very good view and everything. Really nice to eyes. So let me show you quickly. Only one setting requires. Just right click on inspect, open DevTools. So here DevTools got opened, and now here let me just zoom in. So you see that there is a setting button in DevTools. So go there, and basically like you have to turn on this DevTools theme from light to dark, and then you just have to click close and open again, and open SelectorsHub Pro now, and boom. So this is the dark theme of SelectorsHub Pro, and this is how you can use it. You just have to click on this setting button of DevTools. There under theme you have to select dark. Okay, by default it will be light. So this is how you can enjoy the dark theme of SelectorsHub along with the dark theme of DevTools. This looks really nice, really cool and amazing view. So please enjoy SelectorsHub Pro in dark theme, and I'm sure you will enjoy. And do check out all the features of SelectorsHub. I have created separate tutorial for each and every feature. They are really huge time saver and make your utilize your time, utilize these features and save your time, improve your productivity. I hope you like this. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and do let me know if you are using it in dark theme or light theme, and if any feature request or anything you want to see in SelectorsHub Pro, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.